Hello! In today's video, we will discuss the legal remedies for rental disputes. There are different ways to resolve a rental dispute in the UAE, depending on the nature and severity of the issue. The official authority for resolving rental disputes in Dubai is the Rental Disputes Center, i.e. RDC, which is part of the Dubai Land Department. Some of the common legal remedies for rental disputes are: Number 1. Checking the lease contract for resolution methods. A properly drafted lease contract should contain resolution methods for disputes such as mediation, arbitration, or filing a suit with the local courts. A landlord and tenant disagreement is best resolved with legal counsel or representation from a property dispute lawyer in Dubai. Number 2. Rent dispute case for an amicable settlement. This is a service provided by the RDC to help the parties reach a mutually acceptable agreement without having to go to court. This is optional and requires the consent of both parties. The parties can file a dispute case for an amicable settlement online or at the RDC office. The RDC will then appoint a conciliator to facilitate the negotiation and document the settlement. The settlement agreement is signed by the parties and the conciliator and approved by the supervising judge. The agreement has the force of an executive instrument at the RDC. If the parties cannot reach a settlement, they can proceed to file a preliminary suit at the RDC. Number 3. Preliminary suit. This is the first phase of litigation at the RDC, and it involves filing a claim, paying a fee, and submitting evidence and documents. The fee is calculated as 3.5% of the annual rent with a minimum of 500 AED and a maximum of 20,000 AED. The RDC will then assign a judge to hear the case and issue a verdict within 30 days. Number 4. Appeal. This is the second and final stage of litigation at the RDC, and it involves challenging the verdict of the preliminary suit. The appeal can be filed by either party within 15 days of the date of the verdict, and it requires paying an appeal deposit. The RDC Appeal Committee will review the case and issue a final and binding decision within 30 days. Number 5. Enforcement of judicial judgments. All final and irrevocable judgments issued at the preliminary suit and the appeal will be enforced by the Judgment Enforcement Directorate of the Center. For any rental disputes related inquiries, contact us at info@hhslawyers.com or visit our website hhslawyers.com.